The needs and desires of the modern family strongly influence our design thinking. The result is a collection of products that are not only stylish and contemporary but also highly adaptable and practical. We offer special finishes with multicolors that are easy to clean and have antibacterial properties. Our innovative wall mounted design allows our toilets to float effortlessly, offering clear spatial solutions in any environment. Continuously pushing the boundaries of toilet design, we introduce features such as UF slim seat covers, blind fixings, rimless design, and soft closing, easily removable seat covers. Our latest innovation includes a powerful new flushing system designed for effective cleaning, the Swirl Flush.